Okay, friends, you have some different items in front of you. One of them is a container of Play-Doh. Carefully open up the lid and with your fingers scoop out the clay. Hitting the back of the container won't help you. You're going to start by rolling a ball with your Play-Doh. You can do it on the table or between your hands. And it doesn't have to be a perfect ball, just round enough. Then you're going to start pressing the Play-Doh down flat. You want to use the palm of your hand with another hand on top to press. That does not mean hitting the clay. You are going to press the clay, and then if you need to get it even flatter, you can share one of the rolling pins with a friend at your table, and you can start to roll your clay. The clay might want to roll up onto it, so be a little careful. Once you get it flat, take one of those texture plates, and you're going to press it with the texture side or the bumpy side down. You can roll a rolling pin across it, and then when you pull it off, you'll see you're left with the print that was on that little brown plate. Now it's on your Play-Doh. Try and do this until you fill your Play-Doh with this pattern. Once you do this, you have a flat piece of Play-Doh with all different designs in it. Now you're going to pick a cookie cutter and you are going to cut a shape out with it. Now a little bit of my Play-Doh got stuck in that rubber mat, so I'm just going to peel it off and stick it on to my Play-Doh. Now I'm going to cut a cookie cutter shape. Now if I use the flat side of the cookie cutter, nothing cuts. So I have to flip it over for the sharper, thinner side. And I'm going to wiggle my hand and then wiggle the cookie cutter until I'm left with a shape. You have to press hard and then wiggle a little. And carefully I pick it up and there's my shape. I have a little bell. I can keep using other cookie cutter shapes, sharing with friends at my table, until I have cut out shapes from all of my Play-Doh. You should be able to fit a few different shapes on your ball of Play-Doh. And then you can roll up your Play-Doh and keep going. At the end of class, we'll smush up all of the shapes and the Play-Doh into a ball. We're going to pick up any little bits of Play-Doh by pressing, as you can see me doing. And then I'm going to smush this down into the container, take the lid, press it on, and then press all the way around the lid of the container to make sure it's completely closed. All of these items will then go back on the tray. Great job, friends!